Hi y'all, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. I want to take just a second to thank all you subscribers so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're just tuning in, I hope that you will subscribe. Believe me, those subscriptions do help keep this little channel alive. But even more importantly, please leave me comments down below. Comments and thumbs up. Those make a huge, huge, huge difference if you just say hi or whatever, but leave some kind of comment. So I look forward to, hey, let me know how you're doing. Have you gone back to work? Or are you retired? Are you still painting? What are you working on? Do you have any questions? Are you frustrated with anything? Just pop that in the comments below and we'll discuss it. But for now, let's get on to painting. Alright, so for this swipe and string pull, I'm going to be using, I've got some phthalo green, just because I love it. I'm going to use some cobalt blue, another one of my favorites. I'm going to use yellow ochre. And finally, some turquoise. And I have some black mixed up here. Actually, I think I need a little more. I do have a little silicone oil in this one. Make sure that I might need a little dab more, because I added a little more paint. Yeah, let's add a little more. I'd rather have a don't want to run out in the middle. Got a little piece of plastic I'm going to be swiping with. I want to lay it down. I'm going to let it hang over the edge just a hair. I want to make sure I get the edge and let the black paint come completely in contact. Woo-wee, yeah, that's looking pretty gorgeous. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just letting it come in contact really with the paint. Not trying to scrape it off. Until we get to the end here. Now I see some places that didn't contact well. And so I'm going to make sure we get it all in there, and we're going to swipe over this one more time. I'll set my little swiper out of the way. Ooh la la. I do have a mess. And I was experimenting with something earlier, so I made a big mess before I ever got started. Okay. Now I'm going to flip this around so that I can make my flowers, or my string pull, go down towards the black end down here. And I don't know what those little things are, but I'll tend to those in a minute. So I've just got this little cotton string, get it at the hardware store, and pull off whatever length you think. If you want to measure, you know, go along your canvas. Or actually lay it out on your canvas, especially if it's your first time doing it. Lay it out on your canvas, and that way you will know, you'll know for sure that you have enough. So I've got a little cup mixed up here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I've got to set it down to dip by. I'm going to dip the string in this little cup with the yellow ochre in it. I want to make sure that I've got paint in contact with all of the string. Like so. I'm just shoving it down with my stir stick. I want to make sure you have one end for sure with paint on it. Your other end that you're going to be holding on to doesn't have to have paint necessarily. Well, you really don't need it because you'll just get it all over your hands. I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to lay my string back and forth. And then I'm going to kind of find my center point, and we'll start to pull the string down through, right through the middle. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And let me see if I can clean my hands. This one I'm not going to do as long. I'm going to start a shorter one over here. Same thing, going to stuff it. Oh, and I need, you know, I need more space. Well, the funny thing is I have way more space to work in and work with than I did in California, but somehow I've managed to fill this space up too. So I guess every time you think you need more space, all you're going to do is fill it up. So I need to spend a day organizing. Aren't those fun? Who wants to do that when you'd rather just paint? I'm going to do the same thing, just back and forth, zigzag back and forth, and then I'm going to pull this stalk towards this one, but not right on it. I'm going to meet up at the bottom. Yes, indeedy. Finally, something I really, really like. I'm going to do one more short over here because it's better to do, what is it they say in decorating, 3s and 5s and odd numbers. So we'll do one here. You can do a string pull over anything. You can just put a solid background and do various colors of strings or same color, whatever you desire. You can also do a regular dirty pour and string pull and that gives it just a lot of different things going on that are really cool. In fact, I'll show you in the next video what I did with it's still to this day one of my favorite pours. It's my personal favorite, and I'll show you next time something cool that I did with it. I have it on everything now, so be sure and watch next time, and I'll give you a peek of that and things you can do with your own personal art as well. Okay, let's do this little number 3 over here, and we're going to make it even a little smaller. Just back and forth, back and forth. Very relaxing. And pull towards my center. Gently pull your string, and voila. I'm going to turn him around so you guys can see. Of course, there's a picture close up and everything at the end. Don't forget to watch that because I'll show you all the little close up and all the beautiful cells and everything that it made. Ah, isn't she lovely? Oh, I so love it. I do see some more bubbles. I'm going to see if we can torch just a little bit. You can also pop the bubbles with a toothpick. And there we have it, a string pull over a swipe. I've got to tell you, I hadn't been super, sometimes you have those things that you're like, it's okay. I hope you guys like this as much as I do because I really, really like this. And I hope you'll give it a try. Do a swiper or do a dirty pour, but do strings. They're fun. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, subscribers, so much. And hey, if you're new to Design by Kathy, I hope that you will subscribe as well. Don't miss out on anything. Give me your comments and let me know what you'd like to see me attempt to pour. Hey, I'll pour it over whatever. I don't mind. I'll give it a go. Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.